Mimi kama chairman ya contractors nilisema awali Simba mimi ndio nilipokea yeye Nyamacha akiwa ameingia form 1, alikuwa na max ya standard 8, tulisika nayo tuli admit naye ilikuwa 183. Sasa tukisikia hata amekuwa na degree tunashangaa sana. Ana degree yako nayo ni ya kukata mboga, alikuwa anakata nayo. Hii mambo ya merisi ameleta hapa Kisii, atachua Kisii iko na wenyewe. Awache hiyo mambo ya sarakasi zake. Kama anataka sarakasi, Ochwangi alikufa. Achukue hiyo nafasi ya Ochwangi, aende KCPE, atabute mama Kayaye na Mwara waendelee hiyo vitimbi. Hapa ni Kisii, tutamenyana na yeye.
It has come out clear that the man does not have papers. He went to River Road. He came up with papers, so he doesn't understand how to lead. He is a man who is clueless. So the new development that has come. Simba Arati has been asked to produce to the EACC, to produce the papers. Instead of producing the papers, because there are our fellow members in the count staff, our brothers and sisters that he took to the EACC, those guys have been asked to go and produce their papers. Simba has been asked also to produce his papers because he's the CEO. We want to know his level of education. Sasa ameleta shida mingi. You are seeing he is coming up with gymnastics and many other things. Many times he's saying, oh, nataka kuuliwa. Sijui sisi yao, anataka kuniletea guns anieke kwa nyumba zangu. What is the problem? If today I'm not above the law, I'm a citizen, a law-abiding citizen. If I'm told, Hoffman, we want to search in your house, let them come and search. There's no problem. Simba is also a law-abiding citizen. If the security agencies want to search Simba Arati's home, many of his homes that he has, let him allow the security agencies to go and search those homes. Because fellow citizens, I want to tell you, Kisii people, you understand, ever since that Simba stepped in this county, we have experienced goonism. There is a lot of goonism that is happening in Kisii. It is only that we are protected by the blood of Jesus. It is only by the blood of Jesus some of us are alive today. Because that guy walks with guns, that guy walks with wounds, that guy has made lives of the people in Kisii to be a miserable life, despite of many other things. And he lies to the people that this is what I'm doing. I want to challenge him today. What have you done as a governor ever since you stepped in Kisii for 2 years, 1.5 years that you have been in office? So 2 years actually that he has been in office. What have you done? If you ask him, he has done nothing.
Na ndonyo sabirwa masakara takorwa masakara egekogera masakara into manyetenga takore tiki taiyo president yakwanire buya iganga montonde bwensi okorio musara konyora otabwa ati masakara abwa atuna koiru buna boniga omonto buna Simba gatakaire gotoka prison committee ntoma yetie kyao kara isiko baka boniga abantu omotige to monto kona gosalie binte account morigereti oreta abantu bairo ba mosori bwe bibusi bagataiga iga omanya gojakorete binto bitabwena tinga ne bibagakoriga ngabansa maandamano tigakorete binto koruchara mogiga ogochiko konyora riria abantu bakobunga gaikwarenge omwaka komotangani oyo kabere oyo gatatu ogochikwa kana 1300